Welcome back to Healthy Snackies. Our recipe for today is a barbecue chicken stuffed sweet potato. We're gonna take our chicken breast and put it in a pot and add some seasoning. I'm just doing pepper and garlic powder. Then we're gonna add an inch of water. And when it starts boiling, we're going to turn it down to a simmer and cook for about, I think, 16 or so minutes, but I mean, just feel it out and cut it open to make sure it's not pink. Now that the chicken is done, we're gonna start with our vegetables. In a pan, we're just gonna lay down the bell pepper, put some olive oil on top, and sprinkle it with a little pepper. Going back to the chicken, we're just going to start shredding it at this point. You can use your fingers or a knife. I used both. And then once that's done, you're just gonna set it aside. I started the bell pepper first because it takes longer to cook. And then once it's kind of cooked to your likeness, then add in a little bit of the jalapeno because it doesn't take very long for them to get brown. Same goes for the red onion. Then once the jalapenos and the onion get to your likeness, we're gonna add in the shredded chicken. And just kind of mix in those olive oil juices. And we are going to add a tablespoon of barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce is pretty sugary, so I don't like to add too much. We're gonna add a little bit of lime. And then just mix it all up again. Now at this point, you don't have to do this, but I'm gonna add just a little bit of Parmesan. I'm again just not adding too much. Then we are mixing it up again. Taking our sweet potato, we're just gonna use a fork and start breaking it up so it is easier to eat. Then we're just gonna top it with a little sea salt. We're gonna add some arugula. And top that with just a little bit of olive oil. Pepper. And a little bit of lime. Now we're going to add our chicken vegetable mixture. It looks so good. I'm editing this video right now and I am drooling. Then we're just gonna add a little bit of lime on top of that and dress it with our avocado. And that is it. Please try this recipe because it is so freaking good. I'm out. I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.